Hi students, previous video lo sets introductions మొత్తం తెలుసుకున్నాం. Now let us start solve exercise 2.1. While I am explaining, try to take your textbooks ma. Explanation ఇస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే ఈజీగా చెప్తున్నటువంటి సమ్స్ అర్థం అవుతాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2.1 పేజ్ నంబర్ 30 ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ సెట్స్ జస్టిఫై యువర్ ఆన్సర్. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో సెట్స్ అంటే ఏంటో నేర్చుకున్నారు, డెఫినేషన్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. A well defined collection of objects is called set. Here they given some questions. The first one is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. This is the question. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. First of all, given statement either it is collectible or not, we have to check out. Here they are saying months. We know 12 months in a year. That too they are asking the month which is beginning with J. So what are the months in a year starting by J? That is January, June, July. So it is countable and we can list it clearly. So first one is a set. Once again, what is the first question? The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So clearly 12 months are there. 12 months. Out of 12 months, what they are asking? The months which are starting with J letter. So with J letter, first one is January. Next, June and July. So 3 months are coming. So this is a set. Therefore, first one is set. Coming to second question, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Here in India, so many writers are there, talented writers are there. It is very vast. And here they are not given particular concept in which area they are talented. That is either they are poets or novelist, like that they not mentioned. That's why here it is, this collection is impossible. So second one is not a set. Third one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here also just they are saying throughout the world 11 best cricket batsmen. Here also they not give particular concept. That means best cricket batsmen means who done more runs in less overs, like that they not mentioned anything. So this is also not a set. Next, fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. Collection of all boys in your class means it is well defined, because by seeing your attendance register you can say how many boys are there in your class. So fourth one is a set. Coming to fifth one, the collection of all even integers. We know now all even integers, this is also well defined. So fifth one also set. So first Roman, what we done? They gave some statements. Either they are sets or not, we identified and given justification. Coming to second Roman, here they gave 3 sets. In second question, second Roman, they gave 3 sets. Set A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, and set B is equal to 3, 5, 7, and set C is equal to P, Q, R. And here they ask, fill the appropriate symbol belongs or does not belongs in the blanks. In first one, what they asked, first question what they asked, 0 dash A. Next, in second one, 3 dash C. Third one, 4 dash B. Fourth one, 8 dash A. Next, fifth one, P dash C. Here we want to choose belongs or does not belongs. In previous class I told belongs means it contains, does not belongs means it not contains. 0 dash A. Here these are sets, these are elements. First check out in set A, 0 is there or not, 0 is an element or not. In set A, 0 is a element. Therefore 0 belongs to A. Next, coming to in set C. Set C, check out 3 is an element or not. In set C, the elements are P, Q, R. 3 not present. 3 does not belongs to C. Coming to third question, 4 dash B. In B, set B, check out 4 is an element or not. Clearly here 4 is not present. Therefore, 4 does not belongs to B. Coming to fourth one, either 8 is an element in A. No, here up to 6 only are there. Therefore, 8 does not belongs to A. Coming to last one, P. In set P, in set C, P is an element. So, P belongs to C. This is second Roman. In first Roman, just we checked given statements are sets or not. In second Roman, we checked given elements are presenting in that particular set or not, belongs or does not belongs. ఇచ్చిన ఎలిమెంట్ కనుక సెట్ లో ఉంటే బిలాంగ్స్ అని నోట్ చేస్తాం, లేకపోతే డస్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్స్ అని నోట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ రోమన్, ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ యూజింగ్ సింబల్స్. ఇన్ థర్డ్ రోమన్ దే గేవ్ సమ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో మాక్సిమం మనం సింబల్స్ యూజ్ చేసి చాలా సింపుల్ గా నోట్ చేస్తాము. ఇన్ థర్డ్ రోమన్ the question is x does not belongs to A. X is an element, does not belongs to A. Simply x does not belongs to A, not belongs to A. This is first question. And coming to second one, D is an element of the set B. D is an element of the set B. D is an element in set B. Belongs to. That's it. Coming to third one, 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers n. 1 is an element which is belongs to natural numbers n. Next, fourth one, 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers P. 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers P. 8 does not belongs to set of the prime numbers P. That's it. Third Roman, that's it. Students, it's better to observe in a textbook while I am giving explanation. Otherwise, these all explanation is waste. By seeing your textbook only, you can identify the answers and you can solve easily. Otherwise, full work is waste. Next, fourth one, fourth Roman. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. Here they give some statements. We want to justify either they are true or false. First question in fourth Roman. 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. In fourth Roman, they gave some statements. First statement is 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. So you want to justify either it is true or false. First, 5 is prime number or not. So it is a prime number. Already you know now what are the prime numbers, what is the definition of prime number. The numbers which are having only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Here clearly 5 is a prime number. But they are saying 5 is not a set of prime number. 5 does not belongs to set of prime number. So it is false. Now give your justification. It is false since. Why it is false? Since 5 is a prime number. But in question they are saying it is not a prime number. That's why this statement is wrong. Next, second question. S is equal to set. S is equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. Here S is a set. In this set, 5, 6, 7 are elements, implies 8 belongs to S. They are saying 8 is also an element in set S. But in set S, only 5, 6, 7 are elements. 8 is not belongs to S. Therefore, this statement is false. So, reason also we can say, since 8 does not belongs to set S. Okay. Next, third one, minus 5 does not belongs to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. Third question is, minus 5 does not belongs to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. So this is a true or false. You and the answer. Very simple statement. Minus 5 does not belongs to W is true. Since minus 5 is an integer and W means set of whole numbers starts from 0 onwards. No negatives will present in whole number. That's why it is true. Next, fourth one. 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. This is also very simple statement. 8 by 11, it is in the form of P by Q. If P by Q means it is a rational number, but here they are saying it belongs to Z. Z means integers. Integers means set of negative numbers, positive numbers along with 0 are called integers. It is in the form of P by Q, rational number, but they are saying it is integer. False. If false means you want to give justification. Since 8 by 11 belongs to rational number Q. Understand? So 4 Romans completed. In first Roman what we done? Given statements are sets are not we justified. Second Roman, given element belongs to particular set or not we justified. Coming to the third Roman, they gave some statements. That statements we written by using symbols. Fourth Roman also they gave some statements. We justified given statements are true or false. 1 to 4 Romans are completed. I think all are understood. So while giving explanation, once again I am saying, listen carefully and understand. Here I am explaining each and every section. So try to utilize. Next to fifth Roman, write the following sets in roster form. Roster form, about roster form and set builder form. In previous class we learned. Here they gave set builder form and they are asking write into roster form. The first one is B is equal to X such that X is a natural number smaller than X such that X is a natural number smaller than 6. This is set builder form. Now we want to write in roster form. First of all, observe what is a element. It is natural number less than 6. So we want to list out natural numbers which are less than 6. Natural numbers starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to before 6. Less than 6 means it is a last element is 5. That's it. Coming to second question. C is equal to X such that X is a 2-digit number X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So they gave some common property here. Now we want to change it into roster form. First of all, what is the common rule here? Common property. The element should be 2-digit number. So 2-digit numbers will start from 10 onwards. And here one more property they gave. The sum of its digits is 8. Suppose first starting 2-digit number is 10. If you start by 10, next property either it is satisfying or not, we want to check out. If we add these 2 digits, you want to get some 8. But here 1 plus 0 is 1. So it is not possible. First 1 we want to take. Next one, for which digit it will become, sum becomes 8. So already out of sum 1 we written. Next is clearly 7. 1, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. Next, first 17 completed. Next take 2. For 2 what we want to add to get sum as 8? 6, 26. Now it is very simple. Next one is 3 and here we want to add 5. Next 4. For 4 we want to add 4 to get Sum of digits is 8. Next, 5. For 5 we want to add 3. Here it is simply reverse this digits, reverse the numbers. 35, 53, next 62 and 71. Finally 80. 80 also will come. Once again here they are saying the element is 2-digit natural number. 2-digit numbers will start from 10 onwards. And one more property they are saying the sum of its digits is 8. By adding 2 digits we want to get sum as 8. So first one we take means compulsory we want to take 7 because we want to get 1 plus 7, 8. So like that property we completed this all. So by using that property we listed these all elements. This is roster form for given question. D is equal to x such that x is a prime. X such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So what they give here, x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. First of all we want to find out what are the factors of 60. 60 factors. 1 into 60, next 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 12s, 6 10s. I think everybody knows how to find out factors. Here factors of 60, 160s, 2 30s, 3 20s, 4 15s, 5 12s, 6 10s. Next 7th, 8th, 9th table won't come, 10th table again will come. Here already we listed 10 6, 12 5s, 15 4s, 20 3s, 32s, 60 1s. Here what we want to list, a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Here what are the prime numbers? In this out of these factors what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers here 2, 3 and 5. Only 2, 3, 5. That only you want to list here. So which is equal to 2, 3, 5. See in question D, x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. 60 factors first list out. In factors of 60, what are the prime numbers? Check out. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5. So that only answer 2, 3, 5. Here they ask a divisor of 60. So these also divisors of 60. These numbers divide 60 completely. In 6th Roman, they gave roster form and they are asking change them into set builder form. The first question is 3, 6, 9, 12. Already in previous class we done this question while explaining set builder to roster to set builder. In that situation we discussed this question. See here, observe what is the common property present here. First one is 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s. So clearly these are multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. So by using common property, we want to write them into set builder form. So here, set they not mentioned anything. X such that x is equal to, what is the form of these elements? 3 into some numbers, 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So that I am writing 3 into n, where n belongs to natural numbers since from 1 onwards starting, and n less than up to 4 here listed. Only less than right means we want to write 5, or less than or equal to right means we want to write up to 4. Don't get confusion. Less than or equal to written means this also calculate. Only less than right means up to before we want to note down. Next, coming to second one. Two, 4, 8, 16, 32. First of all, identify what is the common property lies here. First, clearly it is 2 to the power 1. Next, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 to the power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16, 2 to the power 5, 32. So now we identified what is the common property here. Now x is such that x is equal to, it is in the form of 2 to the power n. Here n is started from 1 onwards. Therefore n is a natural number, n belongs to n, and it is listed up to 5. Therefore n less than, up to 5 we written less than 6. Next, third one. Five, 25, 125, 625. Same rule. First of all, check out what is the property here. This is a 5 square. This is 5 cube. And this is 5 to the power 4. Same like second question. So try to give the answer x such that x is equal to, here it is 2 powers and here it is 5 power. 5 to the power n, where n is natural number because it is starting from 1 onwards. N belongs to capital N, and n less than, up to 4 we listed, less than 5. Next, the last question, last one, fourth one. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on 100. By seeing these numbers we can identify easily. If you know square numbers, easily you can answer this one. 1 can be written as 1 square, 2 can be written as 2 square, 4 can be written as 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square. Next, continue. 9 means 3 square. Next, 4 square, 5 square, up to 10 square. Here what you observed, which is common? Common, here square is common. These numbers are changing. That's why here for this x such that x is equal to, square is common. For some number, square is common. That is x is equal to n square. Here n is natural number. Again it is starting from 1 onwards. N belongs to capital N and n less than, up to 10 we listed, therefore less than 11, or less than or equal to written means it is less than or equal to written means up to 10 only we will write. So this is 6th Roman. Once again in 6th Roman they gave roasted form they given. So we identified what is the common property behind them. We identified and changed them into set builder form by using mathematical symbols. Here only you can do somewhat mistakes. That's why listen carefully and understand. If you have any doubts, try to send me in comment box. Again I will give you explanation. Next, 7th Roman. Write the following sets in roster form. Once again here they gave set builder form and again they are asking write in roster form. First question, a is equal to x such that x is a natural number, greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So this is the question they give. Now solution is a is equal to, first what they are saying, x is a natural number greater than 50. 50 greater than 50 and less than 100. That means 50 after 51 onwards we want to calculate up to below 100. Below 100 means up to 99. First of all greater than 50. Greater than 50 means it will start from 51 onwards. 51, 52, 53. So like this 54. These all we want to count up to last number, last element. What they said, smaller than 100. That means less than 100. Less than 100 means we want to write up to 99. Coming to second question. B is equal to x such that x is an integer where x square is equal to 4. Here clearly it is very simple question. X is an integer they said, and here one rule they gave, x square is equal to 4. Here only two numbers satisfies. Square of the two numbers only 4 will come. It's nothing but minus 2 square and plus 2 square. Minus 2 square. Minus square is positive. 2 square is 4. Again 2 square is 4. Only two numbers satisfies this given condition. They are minus 2 and 2. Next, third one. D is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. This is the word they gave. Same before also we wrote this one. X is a letter in the word loyal. In the word loyal, what are the alphabets? List out. So first alphabet is L, next alphabet O, and then Y, and then A, again L. But already we listed. So once again no need to write. Loyal. Before also I told elements always we can write in small letters, but here the word only, they only gave capital letters. That's why we written here capital alphabets. That's it. 7th Roman, they gave set builder forms. We written into roster forms. Coming to last Roman, matching they gave. Very simple matching. I think everybody can do this matching. Students, here one thing you observe. Solving all sums in the exercise somewhat difficult because of a time period. But here I am trying to complete all questions. I am giving all questions explanation. So try to utilize it. The one and only thing is while you are watching this video, first take a textbook and rough note. While giving explanation, see the textbook, what is the question and what is the explanation. Immediately you want to practice. Then only you can get. Otherwise, again you can get confusion. Okay students, ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం exercise 2.1 complete గా solve చేసేసాము. Next class we can discuss about basic operations on sets and next exercise. All the best. Thank you.